Avocados are not just a delicious addition to meals. They are a powerhouse of health benefits that play a crucial role in a balanced diet. Rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. They are also packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins E, K, and C, as well as potassium and fiber, which contribute to overall well-being. When consumed correctly, avocados can significantly enhance the nutritional profile of your meals. Their creamy texture and rich flavor make them an excellent complement to various dishes, from salads to smoothies, ensuring that you enjoy both taste and nutrition. One of the most remarkable aspects of avocados is their ability to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. For instance, pairing avocados with vegetables like carrots or spinach can increase the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K, maximizing the health benefits of your meals. In today's fast-paced world, where convenience often trumps nutrition, avocados stand out as a versatile and nutritious option that fits seamlessly into modern diets. Whether you spread them on toast, blend them into a smoothie, or add them to a salad, avocados not only elevate the flavor, but also boost the nutritional value of your food. By incorporating avocados into your daily meals, you can enjoy their extraordinary health benefits, while promoting a balanced diet that supports your overall health and wellness. Embracing avocados is not just a trend, it's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Avocados boast a rich nutrient profile that makes them an essential component of a healthy diet. They are particularly known for their healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, promoting overall cardiovascular wellness. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, making them a great choice for weight management. Packed with essential vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins, avocados contribute to various bodily functions, including immune support and skin health. One of the standout features of avocados is their ability to facilitate the absorption of nutrients from other foods. When consumed alongside vegetables rich in fat-soluble vitamins, such as carrots or leafy greens, avocados enhance the body's ability to absorb these vital nutrients, maximizing their health benefits. This makes them an ideal addition to salads and smoothies. For individuals following low-carb or ketogenic diets, avocados are particularly valuable. Their low carbohydrate content, combined with their high healthy fat and fiber content, makes them a perfect food choice for maintaining ketosis while providing essential nutrients. Incorporating avocados into meals not only adds a creamy texture and rich flavor, but also supports overall health and well-being. Whether enjoyed in guacamole, sliced on toast, or blended into smoothies, avocados are a versatile superfood that can enhance any diet while delivering a wealth of nutritional benefits. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health, and avocados are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that can help slow digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. This type of fiber is beneficial for gut health as it can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. On the other hand, insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This type of fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract and ensuring that food moves smoothly through the intestines. Avocados contain a balanced combination of both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a powerhouse for optimal digestive benefits. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can support gut health and enhance overall digestion. Additionally, fiber plays a significant role in regulating insulin levels, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, fiber helps prevent spikes in insulin, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, a high-fiber diet is associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. The fiber found in avocados not only aids digestion but also contributes to overall health and well-being. By enjoying avocados regularly, you can harness the power of fiber to support your digestive system and promote a healthier lifestyle. Avocado browning is a natural process that occurs due to oxidation, which happens when the flesh of the fruit is exposed to air. This reaction is caused by enzymes in the avocado that interact with oxygen, leading to the formation of brown pigments. It's important to note that browning does not indicate spoilage. The avocado is still safe to eat, although its appearance may be less appealing. Understanding this process can help consumers make informed choices about their avocados and reduce unnecessary waste. To manage browning, there are several effective strategies. One popular method is to mix the avocado with lemon juice or lime juice, as the citric acid in these fruits slows down the oxidation process. Additionally, covering the avocado tightly with plastic wrap or storing it in an airtight container can minimize exposure to air, helping to maintain its vibrant green color for a longer period. Another option is to store the avocado with onion slices, which can also help reduce browning due to the sulfur compounds released by the onion. The environmental impact of wasting avocados due to browning is significant. Avocados require substantial resources to grow, including water and land, and discarding them contributes to food waste, which is a pressing global issue. By understanding the browning process and implementing simple preservation techniques, consumers can enjoy avocados without the fear of waste. This not only enhances the eating experience, but also promotes sustainability by reducing the environmental footprint associated with avocado production and consumption. Avocado production is influenced by various economic and environmental factors that shape its market value and sustainability. Growing avocados requires significant resources, including water, land, and labor. The cultivation process is water-intensive, particularly in regions like California, where drought conditions can strain local water supplies. As a result, the market value of avocados has surged, driven by their popularity as a health food and culinary staple. This high demand has led to increased prices, making avocados a lucrative crop for farmers. However, the economic benefits come with challenges. Farmers in regions such as California and Mexico face numerous obstacles, including fluctuating market prices, climate change, and pest management. In California, strict water regulations and drought conditions can limit production, while in Mexico, issues such as land disputes and organized crime can threaten the safety and stability of avocado farming. The implications of high demand extend beyond economic factors. They also raise ethical concerns, particularly regarding the concept of blood avocados. This term refers to avocados produced in regions where violence and exploitation are prevalent, often linked to drug cartels that control the supply chain. The rise in avocado prices has led to increased competition, and in some cases, violence, as farmers and workers are caught in the crossfire. Consumers are becoming more aware of these issues, prompting calls for sustainable and ethically sourced avocados. By understanding the economic and environmental factors surrounding avocado production, consumers can make informed choices that support responsible farming practices while enjoying this nutritious fruit. A common misconception surrounding avocados is the concern over dark fibers found within the fruit. Many consumers mistakenly believe that these dark fibers indicate spoilage or compromise the safety of the avocado. In reality, these dark fibers are a natural response to environmental conditions, such as temperature fluctuations or stress during the growing process. They occur when the fruit is exposed to certain factors, including excessive heat or cold, which can cause the plant tissues to react and produce these fibers. It's important to reassure consumers that these dark fibers do not affect the nutritional quality of avocados. The presence of these fibers is purely aesthetic and does not diminish the health benefits or taste of the fruit. Avocados remain rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, regardless of the appearance of these fibers. To minimize the appearance of dark fibers, proper handling and storage of avocados are essential. When selecting avocados, choose those that are firm but yield slightly to gentle pressure, indicating ripeness. Once ripe, store avocados in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator to maintain their quality. Additionally, when cutting avocados, use a sharp knife to minimize bruising, which can exacerbate the development of dark fibers. If dark fibers are present, they can easily be removed with a spoon or knife without affecting the rest of the fruit. By understanding the nature of these fibers and how to handle avocados properly, consumers can enjoy this nutritious fruit without concern, appreciating its many health benefits while minimizing waste. In summary, avocados are a remarkable addition to any balanced diet, offering a wealth of health benefits and unparalleled versatility. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins, avocados support heart health, aid digestion, and enhance the absorption of nutrients from other foods. Their creamy texture and rich flavor make them a delightful ingredient in a variety of dishes. from salads and smoothies to spreads and dips. As we've discussed, it's crucial to appreciate the value of avocados and avoid wasting them, especially considering the resources required for their production. Understanding the natural processes, such as browning and the presence of dark fibers, can help you make informed choices and reduce food waste. By implementing simple storage and handling techniques, you can enjoy avocados at their best while minimizing waste. We encourage you to embrace the many ways avocados can enhance your meals and overall health. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, we invite you to engage with our content further. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos about nutrition, cooking tips, and healthy living. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about the incredible advantages of incorporating avocados into their diets. Your support helps us create more valuable content and spread awareness about healthy eating. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health, and we look forward to sharing more exciting topics with you in the future.